guys, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be trying out Curlformers. I used to use these all the time when I first went natural. They were pretty much my go-to hairstyle because I always got these super voluminous, soft ringlets, and it was just like perfection. But I stopped using them for the past couple of years. I don't really know why I stopped using them because the results were so pretty, but I want to go ahead and get back into using them if they do work. So I want to see if they still work, if it's still worth the money, and just if I like the results overall. And yes, Curlformers are honestly, they are pretty expensive. I believe a pack of 40 of these kind are like $65. So it's pretty expensive. However, it is definitely an investment, and you can use these over and over and over. Like I said, I have had these for like years and years and years, and they still are holding up like just fine. Let's go ahead and just get right into it. I am working with dry hair. It's not freshly washed, and it's not damp, it's just dry. But my hair is moisturized though. There is leave-in conditioner in here and moisturizer in here. So my hair is soft, it feels moisturized, it's just not wet. For today's hair products, I'll be using the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. And I'll also be using the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Curl Quench Foaming Mousse. So I have that right here. I am going to first go ahead and just section off like this big section. It'll be much easier to work in. I am going to spray this entire section of hair with leave-in. I don't necessarily need to apply the leave-in to small sections, so I'm gonna just go ahead and apply it to a large section. All right, and then I will smooth the leave-in conditioner in my hair. Next, I'm going to take a small section of hair, probably about this much, for one curl former, and clip the rest of it away. I'm going to pump 1 to 2 pumps of the mousse in my hand, and then smooth it into the section of hair. Next up, I'm gonna take my dimming brush because I definitely wanna make sure my section of hair is smooth, or as smooth as possible, because that can make or break this hairstyle. That's one thing I do remember, is that your hair could easily turn out to be a mess if it's not smooth. So I have my hook for the Curlformers, and I also have the Curlformers itself, and you just slide the hook into the Curlformer like that. Now I just take this piece of hair, twist the root just a little bit, nothing too extreme, like twice would be good. Hook it onto the area where I twisted, pretty much at the root, and then I just pull the hook through the Curlformer. So you guys will see. You just pull it through. Like that. Super duper easy. It may look hard, but I promise y'all, it is like one of the simplest hairstyles to do. I find it easier to do than a regular perm rod set because it's just really simple and easy to follow. And I like to alternate between orange Curlformers and pink Curlformers because these curl 2 different ways, if you guys can see that. So instead of this being a super uniformed look, it'll be more of an effortless, messy look. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the rest of this head done. So again, I'm taking my hook and sticking it through the Curlformer. Next, I'm going to apply some of the mousse, smooth it onto my hair, then take my dimming brush, smooth my hair, and then I just twist at the root once or twice. Take the hook it onto the root where I twisted, and then you just pull the Curlformer through. And if it ever ends up like this to where it's not curling all the way, just twist it, and there you go. For this one, I already went ahead and applied my mousse, so I'm going to just twist the root one more time. Take the hook it onto the root where it was twisted, and then just pull the curl former through. That's it. Alright you guys, so my hair is done. I have installed all of my curl formers in my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry overnight, and then I will come back in the morning and show you all the final results. Alright, so it is later on in the next day, and my curl formers have been installed for almost 24 hours. Not a full 24 hours, but I'm pretty sure my hair is 100% dry because I did go ahead and sit under a hair dryer for about 45 minutes last night, just so I know that my hair will be dry whenever I take the curl formers down. So I'm about to just go ahead and just take them out one by one. It's very easy to take them down. All you do is just hold this little part right here, kind of hold it, and then slide it out. Look at this curl. Alright, so all the curl formers are out, and like I thought, my hair is 100% dry. I don't feel not one wet spot. So now I just need to go in and carefully and slowly separate each curl. So I'll just kind of feel through to see where my hair naturally separates. Swirl it a bit. And then just do that a few times. I don't separate too much because I don't want to cause too much frizz on day one. So I believe that was like maybe 4 times that I separated. But I don't like to separate too much on the first day. But yeah, just feel, see where it separates, twirl it a bit, and move on to the next curl. I have pretty much unseparated all of my hair, and as you guys can see by the smile on my face, I am like, you guys, I am just in love with the results of my hair. Like, I haven't even like really shaped my hair, I haven't really fluffed my curls out, but just like from the initial results, I'm sold on using these again. My hair feels so soft and there is so much shine to them. This like plastic material does not like dry your hair out at all. My curls feel so soft, and if y'all can see, there's so much shine like still there. Like there is not a dry area anywhere on my head. I love how my hair feels. I could wear my hair like this literally 24/7. These are my curls up close. You guys can see that. Lots of definition. Just really pretty, like nice soft ringlets. Very effortless. Lots of body. Lots of movement. Very little frizz. Yeah, I'm loving it, you guys. So I don't have to say much besides the fact that I love them. I still love my curl formers. I think it is totally worth the money. And personally, for me at least, I think curl formers are honestly the easiest like method as far as like rod sets goes, and I will definitely be using these so much more often. So you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you guys did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.